Installation of streaming media rearview mirror KUNFINE. First, determine the position of the bottom and the top. Untie the two rubber bands at the back. There are interface cable and memory card slot here. If the position is not appropriate, you can move the camera outward. Buckle the rubber band from the back. Adjust the position. Turn on electricity. Connect the cigarette lighter and take power. Normal startup. Fine-tuning position.